Hi, I'm Julie Ireland, an interior design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. Welcome to Style Your Tile. Today, I'm going to show you how to style Tile Mart's Century Wood and Hampton 15. Let's have some fun.
I started this coastal dreamscape off with Serena and Lily's new boardwalk jute rug and paired it with Tile Mart's Century Wood Look porcelain tile. I selected Serena and Lily's Hughes counter stool and a few of my favorite wallpaper designs. For tile, I selected Tile Mart's Hampton 15 decorative 6x6 field tiles. And no coastal vibe would be complete without some starfish and crystals. For hardware, these hammered chrome cabinet pulls and knobs captured my heart and added a bit of nostalgia. For upholstery, I selected Serena and Lily's Perennials Granville in Sea Salt. For the paint palette, I selected Bear, Norwegian Blue, Half Sea Fog, Ginger Sugar, and Blank Canvas. Create a coastal oasis with this beautifully harmonized selection that invites calm and relaxation into every corner of your home.
Thanks for joining me for another Style Your Tile. To get a PDF of this mood board, go to Tile Mart University at tilemart.com. See you next time.